Today we're going to learn about integers. We're going to learn about the integers. When you count a number, you are using integers. When you count the numbers, you are using integers. So what are the integers then? The integers are the whole numbers. The integers are the whole numbers. Do you understand what whole means? I will tell you. For example, you have one watermelon. A watermelon, you have watermelon. This means that you have the whole watermelon. The circle one, the shape of it is circle, right? So you have all of it. This means you have the whole watermelon. And when you cut this watermelon into many pieces, and you take one of it, and your friend takes one of them, so this watermelon is not the whole watermelon anymore. Because you take one piece and your friend takes one piece. So this is not the whole. So the whole can mean all. No one takes it. The watermelon can be the whole watermelon if no one takes it. So the one watermelon is full, is all. So we call it the whole watermelon. So the whole numbers are not the fractions also. The fraction is like this: 1, 2, 1, 5, or 1, 6, and also not the decimal numbers like 0.5 or 3.5 or 4.7 with the decimal point. The number with the decimal point, they are not the whole numbers. So the integers are the whole numbers, and also no fractions and decimal numbers. The integers have three types. The first one is positive integers, the second one is negative integers, and the third one is zero. Zero is in the middle. Zero is not positive and also not negative. So let's look at the number line. This is called the number line. Did you see here? This is the number line. The zero is in the center. The zero is in the center because it's not positive, it's not negative, it's nothing. It's in the middle, okay? So on the right of the zero are positive numbers. On the left are the negative numbers. The positive numbers have the positive sign in front of the numbers. Do you see the cross here? This is the positive side. We will put it in front of the positive numbers. And usually, we don't have to put positive sign in front of positive numbers because it is understood that they are positive numbers. You see here, this is the positive numbers, and I don't have to put them. I can put them, but I should not to put them in front of this number because it is understood. These are the positive numbers. And it is important, if you want to present the negative numbers, you have to have negative sign in front of this number because you mean the negative numbers. The negative numbers will have the minus. This is the negative sign. Minus is the negative sign in front of the numbers here. Okay, do you see here? Did you know already that these are the negative and these are positive? And on the right of the zero, the further you go, the greater value of the integer has. The greater value of the number has. 4 has the greater value than number 3. And you can go to infinity to the right. The further you go to the right, the greater value of the number you have. Okay? And at the same time, the further you go to the left, the less value of the number you have. This one on the left, this minus 4 will has the less value than the number minus 3. Okay, to make it useful, let's think about this the money. Let's think about this the money. And I will put here, for example, $2. borrow her friend 2 baht. Phula is here. And Ben. Ben borrow his friend 3 baht. So he is here. Okay? And James, he has 4 baht now. James has 4 baht here. Here, James. So I want to ask you, who is the richest? Who is the richest? Right. James is the richest, right? Because he has 4 baht right now. But the 2 persons here, Phula and Ben, they are in debt, right? They are in debt. And these two persons, who is the poorest? Can you tell me who is the poorest? Who is on the left? Who is on the left? Right, Ben. Ben is on the left. And Phula is here. Phula is in debt for 2 baht. She still needs only 2 baht to pay back to her friend. But Ben still needs 3 baht. Who is more in debt? Ben. Ben is more in debt than Phula, because Ben still needs 3 baht to pay back to his friend. Okay? Okay, you understand this? I will check you if you really understand. What I've got here is the numbers. These are the integers. I have the integers here, and what I want to do is you come out in front of the class and line up from the lowest value of the integer you have. Everyone will get one of this. Everyone will get 1 integer. Everyone will get 1 integer, and you come out in front of the class and line up. Stand in the correct order from the lowest value your integer has to the highest value of your integers. So the lowest is on the left, the highest is on the right. Okay? So let's do it. David, do not need your phone for this. Thank you. So everyone understand? Everyone understand? Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Come out in front of the class.